Hey Mars, the guest is coming.
Of course, I'm here to help.
Mars's large advertisement screen elevates your brand presence. From captivating visuals to dynamic animation, your message shines brightly. With advanced sensors and AI navigation, Mars ensures safe and efficient travel in crowds. Mars prioritizes security, adjusting its path for uninterrupted delivery.
Discover how its multiple delivery modes redefine convenience and efficiency.
With the smart responsive trays, your items are handled with care, ensuring correct delivery.
Need your delivery now? Simply make a request and Mars will be on its way to assist you. Thanks, Mars.
You're welcome. Feel free to call on me anytime.
And the best part, deploying Mars is a breeze. No marker is needed. It's up and running in minutes. Mars adapts to any setting, from outdoor events to patios. The Mars fleet seamlessly cooperates, using advanced algorithms for efficient route optimization. Experience the future of deliveries with Mars, your trusted delivery companion.